Throw cold water on the pastry dough for a great result. I'm using pastry dough, gonna put it in a bowl. I'll season it with some salt. Next, I'll add cold water until it's covered. Now we just gotta mix it lightly. And let it sit for 20 minutes. After that time, just drain the water and take some dough. Move it onto a board and dry it with paper towels. Then we'll cut it into tiny squares. After cutting, we'll remove them from the board and put them in the air fryer. Then we'll close it, set it to 180 degrees and leave it for 6 minutes. After that, our snack is ready, and see how quick and tasty. Try this at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. It's perfect for snacking, and best of all, no oil needed. I hope you enjoyed. This is another recipe from me. Big hug. Until next time, and thanks.